South Africans sidinga ipresident ngoba sinayo. Apha phezulu yindlu kaMawumela lo owethembisa syndicate.
Now you keep saying my nephew. I don't even know this gentleman. And so let's not even get there. I don't know him.
Lo okuthiwa ubhubhudle imali engange 2.3 eThembisa Hospital njoba niyibona iThembisa Hospital iklameko ekuyo. Njoba nibona lapho SIU ithathe khona imoto zakhe nani ziyadliwa ke. Manje kuthiwa ngumtshana kaPresident Ramaphosa. Ubuziwe Ramaphosa apha emalangeni ngaye lo Morgan wamkhanyela wathi akamazi. Niyasazi mosisi njani South Africans? Ke kwalikwa ivideo ka Cyril Ramaphosa upresident wenu engaphandle kwendlu kaMorgan Mawumela. Ukhiphe istatement, I think it's about 3 hours ago. Ayo AI uyavuma into banguye. Uvuma esithi i-coincidence. Konje into coincidence ngesixhosa. Like ukuzenzekela nje kwevele kwenzeka into ba abe ngaphandle. So inoba izathi into beke walker okanye because akekho semotweni. Inoba izathi beke walker okanye bithini into yakhona andiyazi. Sidinga ipresident South Africans. Awukwazi noba yonke lento njenge kuzo zonke izinto ezingazenzekela. Uzibhaqa kulendlu ethethisayo ngoku le iSIU ibiyokudla khona izinto zakhe lo Mawumela. Wena ungupresident Ramaphosa ubukade umphika lo mtshana wakho Jikiphethu so kuyi coincidence. Aniboni khona into president akayaziyo. Enye uzathi xa kevela avele athi I don't know this gentleman. You keep saying he's my nephew and I honestly do not know this gentleman. Kuzavela ipicture yakhe ethe nca noMorgan Mawumela. Uzabe noba hayi wafika uMorgan washutisa nje naye. Uzamphika noba songathiwa bebehlele etafileni besidla bobabini breakfast. Uzamphika upresident wenu. We need a president. Currently asinayo president. Nasi statement akasikhiphile. Esoba uyavuma yena nguye ayo AI.